Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are exploring the delightful world of samosas, a beloved Indian snack known for its crispy exterior and flavorful filling. We have a special treat for you because we will be making not one but two versions of samosas, the classic deep fried samosa and the healthier alternative, the air fryer samosa. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, which is maida, salt, carom seeds, and ghee. Mix until it resembles breadcrumbs. If the dough falls to pieces, that means you need to add more oil or ghee. Next, add water gradually to form a smooth and firm dough. Cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes. While our dough is resting, let's move on to preparing the spiced potato filling. Mash the boiled and peeled potatoes. Heat oil in a pan. Add crushed coriander seeds, crushed fennel seeds, crushed cloves, cumin seeds, chopped cashews, and raisins. Saute until fragrant. Then add grated ginger and chopped green chilies. Next, add the mashed potatoes, peas, and all the powdered spices. Cook until the filling is well combined and aromatic. Next, add salt to taste, mix it well again and cook for about 2 minutes. Finish it off with some fresh cilantro leaves. Our filling is ready. Remove it from heat and let it cool. Now let's assemble and cook our samosas. Knead the dough again. Divide the rested dough into 8 equal portions and roll them into balls. Roll each ball into a thin circle. Then cut it in half to form 2 semicircles. Take one semicircle, fold it into a cone and seal the edge with water. Fill it with the prepared potato filling and seal it into a triangular shaped samosa. Repeat this process for the remaining samosas. For making authentic deep fried samosa, heat oil in a pan to low-medium heat. Carefully fry the samosas until they are golden brown and crispy. The frying would take about 12 to 15 minutes, so be patient. Your crispy samosas are ready. Remove the fried samosas from the pan and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb any excess oil. Set them aside and fry the remaining samosas. If you prefer a healthier option, then air fry samosas. Lightly brush or spray the samosas with oil. Then air fry them at 347 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes in a preheated oven. Flip them and air fry for 5 more minutes or until they are golden and crispy. And there you have it! 2 delicious ways to make samosas. Whether you choose the classic deep fried version or the air fried alternative, they are sure to be a hit at your next gathering. Serve your hot crispy samosas with your favorite chutney or sauce and enjoy the burst of flavors in every bite. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you will try this recipe and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!